Gut health is a cornerstone of overall well-being, influencing everything from immunity to mental health. In recent years, scientific research has increasingly emphasized the role of the gut microbiome, a complex ecosystem of trillions of microbes living in the digestive tract. This detailed study video explores gut health, its significance, and how it affects individuals at different stages of life. The gastrointestinal (GI) tract is home to over 100 trillion microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. These microbes play an essential role in digesting food, synthesizing vitamins, modulating the immune system, and even affecting brain function. The gut microbiota is unique to each individual, shaped by genetics, diet, lifestyle, and environmental factors. The microbiome serves several crucial functions. 1. Digestion and nutrient absorption. Certain bacteria aid in breaking down dietary fibers and producing short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that nourish colon cells. 2. Immune system modulation. The gut contains over 70% of the body's immune cells. 2. A balanced microbiome helps distinguish between harmful invaders and beneficial organisms. 3. Neurological influence. The gut-brain axis allows bidirectional communication between the GI tract and the brain, affecting mood, cognition, and behavior. 4. Metabolism and weight regulation. An imbalance in gut bacteria has been linked to obesity, diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. 1. Gut health across different age groups, infants and newborns. 1. At birth, a baby's gut is sterile. 1. The first exposure to microbes comes from the mother's birth canal and breast milk. 2. Breastfeeding promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria like bifidobacterium, which supports digestion and immunity. 3. C-section births and formula feeding can lead to lower microbial diversity, increasing the risk of allergies and autoimmune disorders. Children and adolescents. 1. During childhood, diet and environment significantly shape the gut microbiota. 2. A fiber-rich diet enhances microbial diversity, supporting metabolism and immune function. 3. Overuse of antibiotics during early years disrupts gut flora, potentially leading to allergies, obesity, and inflammatory diseases. Adults. 1. A diverse microbiome is linked to better digestion, improved mental health, and lower inflammation. 2. Lifestyle factors such as diet, stress, and sleep play a critical role in maintaining a healthy gut. 3. Probiotics and prebiotics can support gut health, but overuse of processed foods and artificial sweeteners can cause imbalances. Elderly population. 1. Aging alters gut microbiota composition, often reducing beneficial bacteria and increasing harmful microbes. 2. This shift is associated with weakened immunity, increased inflammation, and higher susceptibility to infections. 3. Consuming a nutrient-dense diet with adequate fiber and fermented foods can help maintain gut balance. 1. Diseases linked to poor gut health. 1. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, characterized by bloating, diarrhea, and constipation due to microbial imbalances. 2. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis are linked to dysbiosis, an imbalance in gut bacteria. 3. Obesity and diabetes. Studies show a correlation between gut microbiota composition and metabolic disorders. 4. Autoimmune conditions. Poor gut health has been associated with conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. 5. Neurological disorders. Emerging research links gut microbiota to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even autism spectrum disorders. 1. How to improve gut health. 1. Dietary changes. Eat a diverse range of plant-based foods, fermented foods, and fiber-rich meals. 2. Probiotics and prebiotics. Incorporate yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and fiber-rich foods like garlic and onions. 3. Reduce processed foods. Avoid artificial sweeteners, refined sugars, and excessive alcohol. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress negatively affects gut bacteria and increases inflammation. 5. Regular exercise. Physical activity promotes gut microbial diversity and enhances metabolism. 6. Adequate sleep. Poor sleep patterns can alter the microbiome and lead to metabolic issues. Scientific evidence underscores the importance of gut health across all age groups. A well-balanced microbiome supports digestion, immunity, mental well-being, and overall health. By making mindful lifestyle and dietary choices, individuals can cultivate a robust gut microbiota, preventing diseases and enhancing longevity. The key takeaway is simple: prioritize gut health, and the body will thank you in more ways than one.